Hey guys, it's your friend Roberto here. Just wanted to show you what we're doing. We're cleaning all the walls in this big warehouse. Just wanted to show you how tedious and complicated it is. So in some areas we don't have a lot of room, and there's a lot of dust, spider webs, and things of that nature. Not too high, but as you can see, there's a lot of equipment, and we gotta get the water out of here and wrap everything up. And just wanted to give you a little bit of action, what it takes to get this thing done. There we go. All right, I hope you enjoy. See ya.